This snowstorm comes after a December with little snow and above average temperatures. Some people love the snow, plenty prefer the warmth. News 5's Bill Folsom has gotten lots of opinions from locals.
It's been a slow start to the snow season in Colorado. Some are fine with the warm and dry. Now it's snowing with more in the forecast. Others are happy to see it here.
A scene making some shiver and others smile.
I like it, but it's really cold.
This Colorado transplant moved here 4 years ago from Costa Rica. He has family in town from his home country and took them out for a shared snow experience.
I think it's nice that we have seasons, because if you get tired of it, it's only a few months. And that is what makes the U.S. and Colorado so beautiful. You get like the snow, the warm.
There are other locals willing to give their own honest opinions on snow. The current snow is a big change from the past few weeks with no snow and above average temperatures.
Are you hoping for some snow?
No. I'm enjoying the warm weather and the sunshine. I know we need it.
The News 5 weather team agrees with the "we need it" statement. Along with the immediate impact of snowstorms, it's also important to think about the big picture of what's happening with the snowpack. It's the future of water supply, and right now, in southeast Colorado, it's just below 50% of normal.
Does it feel like we haven't had a lot this year?
Yeah, this year I didn't see a lot.
Along with the novelty of snow, this Colorado newcomer has also learned a lot about its importance.
Because there are a lot of fires recently because of the wind, and the snow and the water helps all of that, so we do need it.
A day or two of snow is great to catch up on the snowpack and do some soaking out on the plains. We need a lot more. In El Paso County, Bill Folsom, News 5.